am walking from my house to my nose is running. Sinuses. Let me get something to wipe my nose. That's what happened. Trying to find something to wipe my nose. I am walking to the fabric store because I don't have my car today. I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I'm going because I need something from there. My mouth may be dirty because I was eating stuff, but you know what? Life is short. I don't care. So let's see how this makeup hold up. This is my makeup. This is my makeup. We will see. And I don't want to take off my sunglasses because I have my glasses and my sunglasses on top of it. So if I take that out, then I have to try fix it. So I'm walking. I think I'm almost there. I think I've been walking for the last 10 minutes already. So maybe a 20-25 minute walk, but I walk fast. So it might take me faster to get there than others. But I will see you soon. We'll see how the makeup hold up. This is the distance. Almost there, almost. I'm in Joanne and this is what my makeup look like. I'm going to do what I gotta do and walk back home. I am leaving Joanne's. Nice, today's a nice day in Florida. It was 64 degrees this morning, so it's beautiful. Okay, it took me 20 minutes to get to Joanne's. Let's see how long it takes me to get home. Right now, we are walking back. I have a little sweat on my forehead, but it cooled off while I was in Joanne's. So what I do, I go through this huge complex, like really big complex, and it puts me right over close to my house. So it takes me a while to walk, but we will see. Now I'm heading back in the sun, so I can't tell you what I look like because I'm trying to cross to go to the complex. That is going to be my shortcut. Testing this makeup to see how it holds up, okay? See y'all soon. That's my little vlog. I heard some car rolling on something, so I had to turn around. He's rolling on one of the little cones. See y'all soon. Okay, I'm getting ready to cross the street. Waiting, lots of traffic. Waiting patiently. Okay, hurry up, buddy. I need to cross. Okay, I'm crossing one side of the road. I have to cross the other side. I see a bus coming full speed. I don't need the bus. I gotta go over here. That's me trying to cross. I'm doing zigzag all over the place because cars are coming. And I have to cross a 2-lane highway. Okay, now I have crossed. And I am going to head back home. So I am going to walk and let's see what time it is. When I get home, we'll see what time I have. Let's see. Right now it is, what did it say? Gotta take off my sunglasses here. Ah, come on, tell me the time. Okay. Right now it is 1:38, and when I get home I will record again. See you all soon. I am back from Joann's. This is what my forehead is looking like. It is 5 minutes after 2, and I walked. It took me half an hour to get back and 20 minutes to go. Joann's is a ways from me, but I go through a neighborhood, a gated community, to put me closer. If I have to walk the whole way, that will be like about an hour and a half. It's not close, but I walked fast and I went through the complex and did that. It's a lot of homes over there, but it's gated, but I can pass through. But the makeup held up very nice, very nicely. Now the sweat is coming. Now I'm home, the sweat is here. This is the sweat is coming. This is not sweat from the sun. This is menopause sweat right now. That's what that is. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Simply Makeup is saying, life is short. I said that all the time, but now I'm reminding you, do what you have to do and do it now, because tomorrow is not promised. And I have noticed that, and I can see that even clearer now. I will talk to you again. That was my little walk from home to Joann's to the fabric store and back. I'll talk to you again. The hair stayed nice. Makeup stayed on point. Just a little sweaty, but that's it. 76 degrees outside. The sun is shining and it's beautiful. Be blessed. Bye.